welcome to your channel. You are watching Technical Sujal, and thanks for complete my first 100 subscriber. Please give more and more love and support. Today's topic is how to run Excel on Android phone and simple example. Firstly, download Google Excel sheet. Now here you go to just like this. Now here you tap and open it. Now here you tap plus. You can choose also a template. There is so much template, but I can choose blank. Blank is new spreadsheet. Now here you make a column. Here you enter name, class, score, Mohit, Ram, Raju, Sujal, Nikhil, Payal. Here class same. Score is different. Now it's done. Here you add a formula maximum. So here you add max is equal to max, max, bracket में value 1 is C2. Here you write capital as well as, sorry, it's my mistake. Here you write capital as well as small, which you want. C2 is here, then comma C3, comma C4, comma C5, comma C6, comma C7. Now it's done. Here you tap right button. Here 9 is a maximum. Ab minimum, here you can write minimum, and here you write is equal to mean, and then same process here you also do. Here you also see C2 to C7 is done. Now it's time to enter a right button. Here 60 is a lowest number of score. Here you will also find total average here also. Then here is the average AV is equal to average. Now here you also same process. Now here you see C2 to C7 is done. Now it's time to correct this. Here 82.6667 is the average. Now here you also add means plus. Here you write addition. Here you is equal to add Here is also same process but in different way. C2 comma C7. Here is a sum of C7 and C2, but you can sum all this. Here is a not time, so I will simply showing you. Here is a subtraction also. Here you write is equal to fx is equal to subs sum is also here. Sum means add ही होता है. Here is also sum. Now it's done. Here, thank you for watching my channel. If you like this video, please comment, share and like this video, and also subscribe my channel to give more and more subscriber. Here is 100 family. Thanks. Now here you save also. Thank you.